Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the VP2788-5K, a beautiful new 27-inch monitor that we think Mac customers in particular are going to love. It has a feature set of a 5K resolution, a DCI P3 color gamut, which is 99% coverage, as well as full Thunderbolt 4 support. So let's get this open and see what you get inside the box. As you open up the monitor, we try to give you some information about how is best to open up the packaging and how is best to assemble a monitor, just to make your experience a little bit easier and a little bit faster in setting up your new panel. Included are a bunch of important cables. We have the power supply for the monitor. We have the documentation, which is the quick start guide for the monitor. We have a Type-C to USB-A cable. This can be used as a charging cable or a communication cable. We have a Type-C to Type-C Thunderbolt cable, and this is a full Thunderbolt 4 cable, so it does support 40 gigabits per second of data transfer in both directions, and allows for things like daisy chaining and being able to attach really fast, high-speed peripherals to your monitor directly. Additionally, we have a full-size DisplayPort, a full-size HDMI, and the power cord to connect to the wall. Now we can start to pull out the components to assemble the stand to hold the monitor up. The base of the stand and the neck of the stand are connected on the bottom, and there is a thumb screw on the bottom of the stand foot that you can tighten to finger tight and assemble that just like so. Next, we want to get the head plate piece out of the box and connect that to the top of the neck. They click together, you'll hear a nice little click, and then you know this stand is fully assembled and ready to hold the monitor head. Next up, we can reveal the back of the head of the monitor so that we can see where this little piece needs to clip into place, and you can pull the whole monitor out in one piece. It clicks into place, and then you can lift the entire monitor out. Now we have the monitor fully assembled, we can take off the dust shield. Looking at the monitor itself, let's talk a little bit about the specs. This is, as I said, a 27-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 5120 by 2880, giving it incredibly fine 218 pixels per inch of resolution. That is close to the pixel pitch that you would get on a modern smartphone, and it is small enough that the retina cannot really recognize individual pixels. That very high pixel density is both wonderful in the Windows environment and the Mac environment, because they both support high DPI displays like this and very vibrant wide color gamuts. The refresh rate of this monitor is native at 60 Hz, but it can be overclocked up to 75 Hz, and there is a full complement of I/O in this panel. It includes a Thunderbolt 4 port with 100 watts of PD charging to your laptop, so that can charge any modern Macintosh and just about all modern Windows machines, portable machines that you would connect via USB-C. Additionally, there is a USB-C out that allows you to daisy chain to other Thunderbolt devices, which could include a second 5K monitor if you so choose. In addition to the connectivity specs, this monitor also supports important features like HDR 400 certification. So if you want to watch HDR content or even attempt to master HDR content, this monitor will get you a lot farther down the road than what you've had in the past. If you're a customer that is using perhaps more than one environment, maybe you're on a Mac for part of your day and a PC for part of your day, this is an almost ideal solution, as it includes picture-by-picture support, picture-in-picture support, and full KVM functionality. So you can have one keyboard and mouse connected directly to the monitor and know that it will switch automatically between your machines as you switch your video ports on the monitor. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the VP2788-5K. To get more information on this beautiful panel and all of the ViewSonic monitors, please proceed to viewsonic.com. And please also watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.